Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm actually taking one of the new nooks that I had bought. I'm taking them back to, or I'm taking the box back to the guy because unfortunately, as you saw, that box decided to up and leave, and I think that's due to the fact that there was wax moth larvae in the wax already. So this obviously didn't make them too happy, and they decided to, listen, we're not happy with this, let's get out of here, and that's what they did. So I'm just on my way now to take that box back to the guy, and he said to me that he will have no issue replacing it for me, and I'm very happy for that. So that way I can still get my two new babies, and we will then, once I get it back, I'll then put it back in Apiary. But stay tuned, you're going to see me at the guy dropping off the box, and hopefully he has all his boxes around so that I can actually show you the type of work that this guy does and the amount of quantity that he does when it comes to queen rearing. It's insane. But be sure to stick around and you guys will see me there. We are nearly here. There we go. I'm at the place now, just dropping off the box. There's the box there, and I just want to show you guys around quickly how much stuff there is here. Check there, tons of boxes. Crazy. And if you come around here, you'll see all the bees flying around this box as well. Quite a lot here. I don't know if you guys can hear them, but there's a ton flying around here right now. So yeah. In a couple of weeks I'll get my box back. Looking forward to that. I've taken that box back now. I'm on my way back home, and this could take about 2 weeks to 3 weeks for them to get done, and my new box will be ready. So I'm really looking forward to that, and it's going to be really awesome to have a new colony again back at home, one that I got initially. And but it could take about 2 weeks to get done, and this guy's been doing it for quite some time now, and he's really good at what he does, and I really am looking forward to being taught more from him in the future, but I'm really looking forward to it all, so it's going to be great. So I'm just on my way home now, and yeah, I will catch you at home. So now we've taken that empty box back to the guy that's going to do those bees for me again, and like I mentioned on the trip back, hopefully in about 3 weeks I'll get that box back and we can pop it back in the apiary. Then we will have the two nooks back there and running for business. So yeah, looking forward to that, and let's hope it can get sorted, and let's hope that next time there's no wax moth in that frame, because that does cause a serious issue when it comes to retaining bees. And these suckers up here today were very busy, but they seem to be calm now, so I guess that's a good thing. But today was very hot, over 30 degrees today, all thanks to a berg wind. But they were actually very active today when I went to go and drop the boxes off there, or the box off there, because they were actually going for me when I'm trying to get into my car, which is right underneath them, so they were getting quite aggressive. But yeah, anyway, thanks for checking it out. See you in the next clip. Let's keep buzzing.